Let me take a picture. Hold on. Baby, we've been together for 3.5 years. And I really want you to spend the rest of your life with me. And I want you to make me the happiest man in the world. Will you marry me?
Oh my god. Oh my god, are you serious? Oh my god. Oh my god, yes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you sure?
That's what your dad said.
What?
That's what your dad said when I asked him for permission.
Did you? Oh my god. Did you really?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Do I get an answer?
Yes. Yes.